I came to see Dr Sherif because I have or had an indentation inside of my penis and a minor curvature and some shortening as well. He examined me and recommended the O concept, which I had my first session in January, and 6 weeks later, over a period of a few days, the indentation has improved by about 80%. I've just had my second session, and so we're going to wait to see what happens from there. I haven't had a problem with erections. However, the difference this has made, I'm having a lot more spontaneous and firmer erections like I haven't had in many years. This is a virtually pain-free procedure. You might be a little bit anxious, but it really is only minor discomfort. I'd like to thank Dr Sherif for bringing the O concept here.